Hi everyone, I'm Kirtana. Welcome back to our channel Wikitales, and today we are going to see the most confusing topic, understanding meter and rhythm in a poem. So people have confusions between meter and rhythm. So you can clear all your doubts in this platform. So without any delay, let's get started. At first, we should know the difference between rhythm and meter. What is a rhythm? It gives a musical effect to a piece of poetry and it is based on tone. And what is meter? Meter is a part in a word in a poetry and rhythm is made up of meters. So I think you get a clear difference between rhythm and meter. So let's get into the next slide. So, what the poems consist of? The poem is consist of lines, and the lines are made up of foot, and the foot are made up of syllables. Everybody know about syllable, right? It is a sound, but foot is not a familiar word, so you can know what a foot is in this video. So now let's see what is a syllable. Syllable is a sound in a word. Every word is made up of syllables. Every word can have any number of syllables. For example, sleep. It is a one syllable word. Sleep. It is a one syllable word. Thank you. Thank you. So it is a two syllable word. Now let's see the types of syllables. There are two types of syllables. They are strong syllables and weak syllables. The strong syllable can also be called as stressed syllables and the weak syllable can also be called as unstressed syllable. Now let's see what is a strong syllable. Strong syllable sounds loud compared to weak syllable. For example, guitar, guitar. Gi is a weak syllable. Guitar, guitar. So gi is a weak syllable and tar is a strong syllable. Comparing to gi, tar sounds loud. That's why it is called as strong syllable. Now, let's see what is a food. It is an unfamiliar word, right? So, now let's see what is a food. The food is a combination of both strong and weak syllable. Example, guitar. Guitar. Gi is a weak syllable and tar is a strong syllable. So, both weak syllable and strong syllable are combined in this word. So, a guitar is a food. So, example, guitar is the combination of both strong and weak syllable. So, it is a food. I think you can get a clear idea about food now. So, now let's see the types of food. There are many types of food, but here I just explained 6 types of food. The first one is iambic. What is an iambic? An iambic is a weak syllable followed by a strong syllable. So, I already said that a word can have many number of syllables. So, if a word has a weak syllable which is followed by a strong syllable and it is called iambic. For example, guitar. Gi is a weak syllable and tar is a strong syllable, right? So, guitar is iambic. The second type of food is trochee. A trochee is a strong syllable followed by a weak syllable, which is opposite to iambic. For example, thank you. Thank is a strong syllable. Thank you. Thank you. Thank is a strong syllable and you is a weak syllable. So, thank you is a trochee. The third type of food is anapest. An anapest is two weak syllable followed by one strong syllable. Okay, for example, understand. Understand. So, un is a weak syllable, is a strong weak syllable, and stand is a strong syllable. And here, two weak syllables are followed by a strong syllable, so it is an anapest. So the fourth type of syllable is dactyl. A dactyl is a two strong syllable followed by one weak syllable, and which is opposite to anapest. Dactyl is opposite to anapest. Okay, and next the fifth type of food is spondy. It is a food made up of two strong syllables. And sixth type of syllable is pyrrhic, food made up of two weak syllables. Now let's see what is a meter. A meter is the combination of type of foot and the number of feet. Feet is nothing but the plural form of foot. So now let's see some of the meters. First one, iambic pentameter. Now you can relate the two things. Iambic is a weak syllable followed by a strong syllable, and penta means we know that it is 5, pentameter 5. So iambic is a type of foot and penta is a number of feet. So this is what about meter. I hope that you just gain some knowledge about meter. So keep watching the channel. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. And thank you so much. Keep on watching the channel. Thank you.